everybody, welcome to my video today, you guys. We are going to make a simply layered page, and this is super simple 12 by 12 scrapbooking, traditional type scrapbooking, but I break it down for you and I make it super simple. I also have a PDF that has all of the measurements for all of the layers, and you can print that right on my website. There's a link in the YouTube description below or on Facebook for you to get to that post, and then you can print the PDF out. So what I'm doing is I'm taking two pieces of our celebration paper. This paper is found in the celebration catalog. Looks like this, and you can get it free when you place a $50 order or more. And one side is very colorful and the other side is black and white. And what I wanted to do was use the black and white designs to create this page. I have a piece of 12 by 12 Bermuda Bay cardstock. My butterfly piece is cut at 10.5 by 10.5. Putting that right in the middle. And then I have another piece here, and this is 12 by 12, and then I cut it at 4 inches. And I'm going to put this down right somewhat in the middle, maybe a little bit higher. And I just like to use my grid mat to line these up. It helps me a little bit. So it's a little bit higher than right in the middle. And this part is not exact. You have to get it perfect. And then what I have is a 2-inch by 6.5-inch piece of coastal Cabana, and I have used my triple banner punch, and I have flagged the end of this. So you can see it has a little flag. And what I'm going to do is put this all the way to the top of my paper. So it's just like this. So now the next couple layers I have, this is going to be a basic black, and this is going to be a photo mat. So you're going to do this at 6.5 by 4.5. That way a 4 by 6 photo will fit on here, and you'll have a nice border. And what I want to do is layer it right here. So the flagged end is coming out here, and then it's layered over this designer paper and over this, but then it also touches that Bermuda Bay piece. So then I have some 4.25 by 4.25 inch photo mats. We're going to put one right here underneath the black mat, and then one right here next to it. Now you can pop these up if you want, or you can leave them flat. Just depends on what you like to do. You can also add another photo mat to this if you want. I would maybe use Coastal Cabana, and I would do 6.25 by 4.25. Then your photo would go right down on that photo mat. So I like to keep these photo mats really simple. And the reason I do that is so that when I get my photos, I can just add them to my photo mats. I create these pages ahead of time. I don't know what photos I'm going to use necessarily for these pages. And so if I keep my photo mats really simple, when I get my photos in, I can add them at a later time, and I can just have a stack of these layouts created and ready. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue this part down, and then I'm going to work on some more of the design elements with you. This layout out, I took a stitched rectangle die and created this frame, and then with Bermuda Bay ink, I stamped from this stamp right here, which is a celebration item as well. I added a little bit of foam to the back of this, and then this is gonna work as my title, and it'll go right here. I used the butterfly punch from the Occasions catalog, and I created some butterflies over here, and then I also layered some butterflies here. So the only thing that I will do is I'll add a journaling box here. I'm just not sure how I'm going to do that, or how large it'll need to be depending on my photos, but I'll put photos here, and then I added some glimmer dots here. Those are a little bit hard to see because they're like a tone on tone. But you can see closer up in the photos. And then I just have dimensionals on the back of the butterfly, so it'll pop it up a little bit. And I will add those there. So that is my layout today, you guys. Make sure you print out the PDF and take a look at the photos of this layout. Super simple, but I love the way it came out. It'll just be one-sided, and then I can either do a pocketed page on the next side, or I can do another layout just depending on what I want to do. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today.
Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.